Electric passenger vehicle sales in India breached or became close to 2 lakh units in the FY 2026, according to data released by Federation of Automotive Dealer Association. 1,99,923 EVs were sold in the fiscal year. The share of EVs in the total passenger sales increased from 2.6% to 4.2%. Tata Motors, JWC, MG Motors, and Mahindra led the segment with 87.3% market share, while brands like Maruti Suzuki, VinFast, and Tesla has a sale of around 2%. Segment leader Tata Motors recorded a growth of 35.9%, selling 78,811 units compared to 57,994 units the previous year. GSW had the biggest jump with around 53,089 units sold. Mahindra secured third spot with a growth of 407% from 8,426 units to 42,721 units. Hyundai CV sales grew to 5,885. BYD sold 5,361 units. Kia sold 3,738 units. VinFast reported a sale of 2,390 units, while Maruti sold 1,416 units. In the premium EV segment, BMW sold 3,537 units, while Mercedes registered 1,157 units of sales.